how to add or remove apps to the notification schedule summary on the iPhone. So first, let's return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Notifications. In here, we then go down and tap on Schedule Summary. Make sure you turn on Schedule Summary so that we can use it. Then go down to the section where it says Apps in Summary. In here, to remove an app from the schedule, simply tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. When we tap on the toggle button to turn it on, we are adding the app to the schedule summary, so it will only show notifications during the schedule time. So for example, here is a schedule time at 8 a.m. It will send out the first notification batch, and at 6 p.m. it will send out the second notification batch. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.